guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in this video, I am going to share with you some of the things that you should be looking for before you choose the affiliate program that is right for you. There are so many ways to earn money online through affiliate marketing, and in this video, I want to share a few tips from my personal perspective, being a mom that has kids at home, that I have a family, and I have certain values that I want to uphold. So I want to share some of the things that you should be looking for inside of an affiliate marketing program so that you can make the right decision and not invest money into something that really isn't going to align with your overall goals and what you see for your actual lifestyle. So if you want to hear my take on what are some of the things to look for when choosing the right affiliate program for you, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, thank you so much for watching my video. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so before I share the 5 things that you should be looking for in a good affiliate marketing program, first, I want to share with you that when I was looking for an affiliate marketing program, I already came to the table with certain things that I was already good at, things that I already knew that would align with my strengths and my gifts and my talents. And that is something that a lot of people overlook to really take into consideration when looking for an affiliate marketing program to align with. Now, when you are out there looking for an affiliate marketing program, a lot of people focus on the money. How much money can I make? How much money can I make? How much money can I make? And that's really what a lot of us are initially looking for. We're calculating how many sales it's going to take for us to get absolutely rich. Been there, done that. I did that when I first got started. And so since you are not really going out there with an actual purpose, you feel like a pinball that's just going bing, 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 you know, looking for people to sign up with. You're just looking for breathing bodies that have a credit card and they're willing to sign up for your program. And after lots of years of trial and error and getting a good grasp as to what I really want in my business and what I really want my business to ultimately create for me in my life, I slowed down and I really started to think about what kind of affiliate program would, you know, satisfy the certain criteria that I had, which is I'm a mom, I have 3 boys at home, I have my husband who's an entrepreneur, I don't like to really travel away a lot. I wanted something that was going to serve a broad market. It was going to be something that people actually needed. I wanted it to be something that would create residual income for me so that I didn't have to keep on, you know, hustling every single month and be on that grind, as they say. I didn't want to do that. And I also wanted something that, you know, I could create a lot of leverage and where I didn't have to be there to sign people up, that there was a way that I can automate things so that people that were interested could just watch a few videos or watch some information and they could sign up on their own. And another thing is that if you don't know my story, we were hit by Hurricane Irma, and that really shook me and woke me up and made me realize that my business could not be contained to just local clients, because guess what? If there's a hurricane locally and it knocks out my customers' power and it knocks out my customers' ability to do business, then I'm in big trouble, right? So I needed something that I could, you know, bring people in from other parts of the country and all around the world so that, God forbid, something happened there, I couldn't physically be there, that money would continue to come in even if I wasn't there. So these are some of the criteria that I was looking for. That's kind of like where I was when I decided the affiliate marketing program that I was going to align with. And the hurricane was just a thing that pushed me over the edge and made me really go out there and look for something serious. So with that being said, here are the 5 things that you should be looking for if you're anything like me and you want that balance between honoring your family, honoring your priorities, honoring your personal time, maybe even honoring your faith, which is a huge thing for me. And you also want to have that balance of building a business that also allows you to have a life. So here's the first thing you want to look for. What is the product? Is it a product that you can get behind? Is it a product that you would use even if there wasn't a compensation plan? I remember that when I first got started, I really didn't know what I was doing online. And one of the things that I aligned with was a company that was giving away, you would buy in to the business opportunity and the product was like bundles of ebooks, okay? And anyway, so you would buy like, you know, the 30 bundle, the 100 bundle, the 500 bundle. And let's be honest, it was kind of an excuse to be able to have an income opportunity because most of the ebooks were absolute garbage. And so it really didn't have a lot of value. And after a while, I realized, you know, this does not have any long-term sustainability. It's kind of a fly-by-night. And honestly, I can't get behind selling garbage to people. So I pulled the plug. I was out of there, and that business opportunity only lasted a couple of years. Shortly after I signed up, I was with them maybe for 3-4 months. They crashed and burned, and they no longer exist. So make sure that when you choose an affiliate program, that there is an actual product. There is a good product. There is a product that people are actually using, and that most of the money that is earned from actually using the products. Okay, this will avoid a lot of issues and problems in the future when you align with an actual product that solves a problem and that people are happy to pay for, whether they are an affiliate or not. The second thing you want to look for is the product in high demand, and is there real world application? So for example, a really great affiliate opportunity that I highly recommend that you look into is called SaaS, which is software as a service. Software as a service is something like GoDaddy or some sort of a booking appointment calendar or some sort of a software that helps you run your business that ends up being, you know, a tool that people use for their business. And the reason why you want to align with a product like that is because there's long-term sustainability. There's actually people using the product, and again, once people sign up, they really don't typically quit because it is a tool that people use to build their business. Once you sign up with like HostGator, for example, which is a hosting company, when you sign up with them and you build your website, chances are you're going to keep paying that bill for years and years and years and years to come. And if you're an affiliate, well, not with HostGator's program because they only pay you the one time, but let's say HostGator paid a residual income. Oh my gosh, can you imagine how much money you would make and what a stable increasing income you would create if they did have a residual income component into their affiliate program? Because once people, you know, pay for their websites, if that is the backbone of their business, they're going to keep paying that bill. And speaking of recurring monthly income, that's the third thing you should look for. Sure, you can make a sale right now, but will you continue to make money every single month? Now, like I told you before, I was doing web design and lead converting sales funnels for clients before I partnered with my affiliate marketing program, and I was always on that month-to-month client grind. And the thing was, I was in a challenging situation because it was only me. I was trying to focus on building the client's project. I didn't really have time for marketing. And what happens is if you're not charging enough, which I really truly wasn't, if you're not charging really what you're worth, what's going to happen is that by the end of the month, you are already going to need that next client. Sure, you may have made $1,500, $2,000 off of one website, and that might carry you over for that month. But guess what? If you don't have clients in the pipeline, come the next month, you are in trouble because you're not going to have another client, and you've got to go out there now and hustle to get another client, and it's just a nightmare. Okay, you don't want to be on that treadmill of having to look for clients on that monthly to client grind. So what I did was I affiliated myself with a program that pays me now, that pays me when I sign up a person, and because it is a software as a service and people are actually using the software, so then I earn residual monthly income because people are still paying for the product because they're actually using it. If you want to avoid that month-to-month client grind, make sure you find something that also pays you now and pays you residually so that you always have a certain stability in your income every single month. Another thing to look for is it an eternal niche? Meaning, is it a here today, gone tomorrow kind of thing, like those ebooks that became outdated and nobody really wanted? Or is it something like an app or a software or things that people need, right? If people actually need to use it for their business or for their personal life, you know, things that are never going to go out of style are like food and clothing and going to the barber, like everybody needs a haircut, right? And you don't want to get involved with things that when the economy dips, that it really affects your income. If you have a website running and that is your bread and butter and that is where your sales come from, chances are, even if the economy takes a dip, you're not going to cancel your website because that's how you run your business. So you want to make sure that you are aligned in something that is an eternal niche, that is not a fly-by-night. If you are looking for long-term stability and long-term income, that is what I highly recommend you do. You know, as a mom, as I said, as a family woman, I am looking for long-term income, like retirement kind of stuff, you know, and there's stuff out there right now that is, it's on the fringe of being kind of like garbage, that it's not going to stand the test of time. So really, really look at it carefully. Think about it, but when you get involved with something that isn't going to fulfill those criteria, it has a long-standing shelf life, and that it has the potential to evolve where people are not really going to cancel. And then the fifth thing is, do you have leverage? Are you going to have to be on the phone all the time? Do you have to go door to door to sell this product? Do you have to be on social media all day to sell this product? Do you have to be bugging friends and family to sell this product? If you do, that's not something I want to be a part of, I'll tell you that. Do you have to demonstrate the product all the time? Do you have to have, you know, home parties and tastings and things like that? If you do, chances are you're not really going to have the leverage that you really truly want if you want to create that balance between building a business and actually having a life. This is why I love digital products, because digital products, all you need is a laptop or a phone and you can do your business from virtually anywhere around the world. I don't have to meet people in person to demonstrate the product. I don't have to do any of that. And because it is a software that I'm aligned with, guess what? I can scale my business very, very quickly. I can scale the lead generation that I need so that I can get more people to learn more about my product and my business opportunity. So you got to take that into consideration. Do you have sales leverage? Does it have a compensation program where when you're doing the work and you're putting all that effort and that energy out there, that it's actually going to, create leverage? Like, for example, a 2-tier program or something like that, where you can sign up people and people can sign up people. So, you know, you're making more money from the hard work that you're putting in on the front end. So after watching these 5 tips, you might be wondering, Barb, what affiliate program are you involved with? Well, I am aligned with an awesome software company called Builderall, and what we do is we offer all the digital marketing tools that you need to build a digital marketing business online. Whether you want to build a website, whether you want to build a sales funnel, whether you want to do little promo videos or animated videos, and if you want to sell an ebook or if you want to start a coaching program, we have the tools that help you do that. And we just happen to have an amazing affiliate program. So if you're looking for a program that fulfills these 5 requirements that honestly, they are now the standard for me. If someone presents me with something that does not fulfill these 5 requirements, I'm not even looking at it. For me personally, what I am looking for in my business is to have a business that also allows me to have a life, that allows me to be a present mom, that allows me to use my gifts, my strengths, and my talents, that helps me create leverage, that creates recurring, stable, increasing income as the months and years go by that has longevity, because I'm going to be 47 soon, and I ain't got time to be starting businesses over and over again. And even though I don't have a crystal ball and I don't know what can happen in the future, because you never truly know, I feel in my heart and in my gut that I am aligned with a company that is going to have longevity because it meets all these criterias. I just feel like it is the best situation for a mom like me who's just trying to build a business that also allows me to have a life. So if you want to learn more about Builderall and you want to learn more about the affiliate program and aligning yourself with my team, Team Rise, whether you're building a business and you want to just use a product without becoming an affiliate, or if you want to be an affiliate because you love the product and you want something that fulfills these 5 criteria that I have shared with you today, all you have to do is go right below this video in the description box and check out my Builderall links, and you can even activate a 7-day free trial if you'd like to test the tools yourself. Check it out, learn more about the affiliate program, learn more about working with me and my team. And yeah, and if this isn't the right fit for you, I highly recommend that when you are about to sign up for an affiliate program, do your research. Make sure it aligns with who you are as a person, what goals you have for your life, and how you see your life. And whatever you choose, make sure that it honors your family, it honors your priority, and it honors who you are as a person. And make sure that you build a business that also allows you to have a life, and don't try to build your life around your business, because that's just no way to live. So, but anyway, I hopefully this did help give you a perspective from someone who's been in the game for a bit, who has a little bit more experience under my belt, and yeah, who has seen a lot of things online. So hopefully this helps you. If it did, and if you like this video, please go ahead and like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and I will see you on another video. Bye!